Hi, welcome. This tutorial will show you how to create containers using Librado's Silverline. First of all, let's go to the support site, to the knowledge base, and open the article that shows you how to create containers. Let's scroll down a little bit to the container creation part. I'm just going to copy that command and paste it into a terminal window. Let's move this window over a little bit and open a terminal. And then paste that command. Let's move it over and paste the command. So I'm going to need an API token, my own personal one, and I'll find that on the Silverline portal. Let's just sign in quickly. And under the Account Settings tab, there's a window with the Server Agent API token. Let's copy that and then paste that into the command. And my target LMD is my server ID. In this case, it's Ubuntu 64-VM. And I'm going to define the container name. Let's just call it container 1 for simplicity reasons. And I could set limits for the container, but in this case, for this demo, I'm not going to do it. So I'm just going to leave that. Okay, so one thing I forgot is that you can only run this command as root, and using sudo is not going to work. You actually have to log in as root. So let's do sudo su-password. Okay, let's try that again. So container 1, there you go, and let's do the same for container 2. And because it's so much fun, let's just create another one, container 3. And let's go back to the knowledge base. Okay, this is how you place an application in a container. So I'm going to copy that, open another terminal window, and move that up a little bit, and paste the command into this terminal window. So this is lm container name, change the container name. I'm going to use a command called stress. It's a lovely utility where I can just stress the CPU and show CPU load. And I'm just going to do one instance here. And I'm going to open 2 more of these. And just to not bore you too much, I'm going to fast forward through this, and there you go. And do another one. And again, I'm going to fast forward with trickery so that you don't have to watch the whole process. There you go. So now we have 3 of these instances running. Over there under root, I'm just going to do the top command. You can see there are 3 stress instances running and using around 30% of CPU. So let's check that out on the portal. Need to sign in and check my server. In this case, it's Ubuntu 64 VM. And there you can see container 1, 2, and 3 with 2 other containers, system and harvest, that are there by default and pretty evenly distributed. So let's go back to my Ubuntu instance. I'm going to start another stress instance as root. And I should open another terminal command, terminal window to check the top command again, just to see the 4 instances of stress using around 22, 23, 24%. I'm going to fast forward a little bit here so we have more data to look at, and you can see 4 evenly distributed versions of stress, including the system container. I hope you liked the tutorial. If you want to learn more, please come to www.librado.com.